Yeah, discuss very important one. How is earning money from that by Facebook by video view sharing? So you are uploading one video in your WhatsApp, or you are uploading video by anything. This is a sharing for so many people. But now I'm looking for that. How is increased by my Facebook page viewers? That is called my page engagement. My page engagement. Your friends are there. You are using Facebook page. They're reaching for so many less members. I have to increase by the my video views. Increase by the video views. First, I'm selecting for page. In this page, what are the options are there? Just you can see this. Now, I'm only targeted by video, not for the post and not for images. Why I'm reason for not imaging? No use for the sharing for images. What I'm sharing for videos. What are the benefit for video sharing for Facebook? For desktop and mobile version, the benefit is called to increase your earnings on the particular video. Now you can come into this video. Any video can sharing purpose. We can click for right click on the video. Right click on the video. The show option call is show video URL or copy video URL in this option. So first we can copy the URL, select this option, and we're selecting for WhatsApp and share this. The people receive the message will be like this. Now anyone people will be clicking the WhatsApp message in this option. The people watching for this video, particular video option. Nobody can skip this video. That mean by two benefits. View will be increased and your reach will be increased. People interested, they call like your video also. So this is only for your mobile version. Desktop version very easier. So not a big task. If you go to your desktop version, any post you can selecting in your option is a video or any image. Just in this. So I'm selecting for anything. Now you can call share. So in this one, there are a lot of sharing options are there. In this, more option. They're showing a lot of things. Mobile is not a big task, but I need only for using desktop. Mobile anyone can do is not a big task from the mobile. But only thing is called desktop users compulsory follow the rules. That only sharing by videos. Is it clear? This is for your Facebook option. Next one, if you go to Instagram. Instagram will be what are the sharing will be done to reaching is more important to people know your post. Select it. What the option will be? Copy link and where your Instagram, select it and paste it and click it. Now people will be click. They open with exactly image. They interested like for your image. This is called particular image will be reaching purpose. That is increase the view purpose. Anyone do for the where? From the mobile. But desktop also more important. They will be shared and using the option. This is very important. Your particular option call is Facebook link shared by WhatsApp, Instagram link shared by where? WhatsApp using web.whatsapp.com. That using from mobile version to access your Facebook postage and LinkedIn postage, increase the video views, increase the post reach of image. The main benefit is called page likes, your post reach and likes. Page reach, video reach and likes. Image is the views. Video is the views. Post like is image, video like is the like. Second thing is called your page like increase, Instagram followers increase. Page likes increase, Instagram followers also will be increase.